Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you eat avocado every day? Picture this, a fruit so packed with nutrients that it turns your everyday meals into a health booster. Enter the avocado, an enigma in the world of fruits, a powerhouse of nutrients. Eating it daily can potentially shower your body with a plethora of health benefits. From your heart to your skin, this mighty fruit can work wonders. So buckle up, health enthusiasts, as we dive deep into the world of avocados. Get ready to uncover the mystery of the mighty avocado. Avocados, often referred to as green gold, are loaded with essential nutrients. This humble fruit packs a punch when it comes to nutritional value. You see, avocados are not just any fruit. They're a unique one, offering an array of health benefits that are hard to find in other fruits. Now let's talk about what makes them so special. First off, avocados are brimming with healthy fats. Yes, you heard it right, healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These are the kind of fats that help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Avocados are also rich in dietary fiber. This fiber plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help you feel full, which is great for those mindful of their weight. Now let's not forget about vitamins and minerals. Avocados are a good source of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with folate, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions, including immune function and heart health. And guess what? They also contain lutein, an antioxidant that's good for your eyes. So avocados are not just tasty, but they're also a friend to your eyesight. So what happens when you make avocado a daily part of your diet? Let's delve deeper into this. Eating avocado every day can have some impressive health benefits. Picture this, a fruit that's not just tasty, but also comes packed with an arsenal of health benefits. That's the avocado for you. Firstly, let's talk digestion. Avocados are high in fiber, and we all know how important fiber is for a smoothly running digestive system. It aids in preventing constipation, maintaining a healthy weight, and even lowering the risk of colon cancer. So if you're looking to keep your digestive health on point, incorporating avocados into your daily diet could be a game changer. Next, let's discuss heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats. Now don't let the word fat scare you. These are the good kind of fats that help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Eating avocados can help keep your heart pumping strong and your cholesterol levels in check. Moving on, avocados are a powerhouse of vitamins. They're loaded with vitamins K, C, E, and B6, along with riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. Phew, that's quite a list. These nutrients are essential for overall health and a strong immune system. Eating avocados regularly can help your body fight off illness and keep you feeling energetic and healthy. Lastly, avocados are a great source of antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin, which are incredibly important for eye health. These antioxidants protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce your risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp, don't forget to include avocados in your meals. Eating avocado every day can have some impressive health benefits. It's not just a phrase, it's a reality backed by science. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that the humble avocado is often hailed as a superfood. Clearly, the humble avocado has a lot to offer, but how do we summarize all these benefits? Well, stay tuned for that. We're just getting started. To encapsulate, daily avocado consumption can be a game changer for your health. This humble green fruit, with its creamy texture and unique flavor, is a veritable cornucopia of essential nutrients. It's not just about the taste, it's about the health benefits that come packed in each serving. Every bite of an avocado goes a long way in improving digestion, thanks to its high fiber content. It helps keep your heart healthy by lowering bad cholesterol levels while raising the good ones. The power-packed antioxidants boost your immune function, preparing your body to combat diseases. And let's not forget, the lutein and zeaxanthin found in avocados are terrific for your eyes, potentially reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Indeed, the avocado is more than just a fruit. It's a nutrient powerhouse, a health ally, a wellness champion. So next time you see an avocado, remember it's not just a fruit, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Make it a part of your daily diet and reap the health benefits it has to offer.